sure most of you have heard about Great Wall of China, but very few of you would have heard about Great Firewall of China. It is there actually, and all it does is censorship. It actually prevents you from accessing all the popular websites like Google, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so many others. And what's life without these applications? We are so habitual to using them. During travel, they become even more important, and therefore I was searching for ways to overcome that and be able to post content. It feels comfortable when you have access to the applications that you use every day, for example WhatsApp, so that you can look at the chats or just post a simple story on the Instagram. And I found that there are a number of options to bypass the firewall, and the easiest one is VPN. With a little bit of research, I came to the conclusion that ExpressVPN is one of the easiest and best, and it also works in China. Most of the people claim it. So I decided to go ahead with ExpressVPN, and also realized that with single subscription I can install it on all my devices, and the installation process was also very easy, I must say. I think I can quickly give you a rundown of the installation process so that you can also enjoy all these websites while you're traveling in China. Go to the ExpressVPN website, buy the subscription and download. It will either direct you to the Play Store or if you cannot access that, it will allow you to download it directly from the website. Click on sign in using the credentials which are provided to you. Click on OK. Set up your VPN. It is very easy. Just click on OK. It requests for permission. Provide the permission by clicking on OK. You're good to go. Just select a location. I have selected India for now, and I'll click on tap to connect, and here you go. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, it does take some time. It doesn't get connected instantly, and sometimes you have to do yeah, so it is connected. You can simply change the location. If you are not able to connect using this location, you can choose United Kingdom or whatever. So let's see, it got connected, and now I'll do a quick IP test to see if my location has changed. Find my IP, and this is my IP address. If I click on the details, I can see that it is the country shown as United Kingdom. Excellent, it is working well. Hi everyone, so this is my last day in China, and I did use ExpressVPN while being here all the time. There is one thing that I need to tell you. It is not like once you installed ExpressVPN it will just work without any interruption. You will have to actually, I mean, it gets disconnected from time to time, and you will have to reconnect it, and sometimes reconnecting takes a bit of time, like a few minutes. 5 minutes, 4 minutes or something like that, and you will have to choose between different servers like Japan, Hong Kong 4, Tokyo 3. You will have to do trial and error to see which one works and which one doesn't work. But otherwise, I think without it you will be really helpless. So I think it is best you install it, and just keep this in mind. If you have any further questions, feel free to write in the comment box, and I'll be happy to answer them. And if you found it helpful, do like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching the video.